Hello and welcome to computer software. What is a software? Software is computer instructions or data that can be stored electronically. Types of software: system software, application software, open source software, and copyrighted software. System software. System software is a term referring to any computer software which manages and controls the hardware so that application software can perform a task. System software includes the operating system and all the utilities that enable the computer to function. Example: operating systems, compiler, loader, linker, and interpreter. Application software. Application software includes programs that do real work for user. Example: payroll systems, inventory control, word processor, spreadsheet, and database management systems. Open source software. Open source software, OSS, is computer software whose source code is available under a license that permits users to use, change and improve the software, and to redistribute it in modified or unmodified form. It is often developed in a public collaborative manner. Well-known OSS products are Linux, Netscape, Apache. Copyrighted software. Copyrighted software, also called non-free software, is software with restrictions on using, copying, and modifying as enforced by the proprietor. Restrictions on use, modification, and copying is achieved by either illegal or technical means, and sometimes both. Proponents of copyrighted software are Microsoft, EXCAD, Norton Antivirus. System software. Operating system. Operating system is a software which makes a computer to actually work. It is the software that enables all the programs we use. The OS organizes and controls the hardware. OS acts as an interface between the application programs and the machine hardware. Examples: Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac OS. Compiler. A compiler is a program that reads a program in one language, the source language, and translates into an equivalent program in another language, the target language. Loader. A loader is the part of an operating system that is responsible for loading programs into memory, preparing them for execution, and then executing them. The loader is usually a part of the operating system's kernel and usually is loaded at system boot time and stays in memory until the system is rebooted, shut down, or powered off. Linker. A linker or link editor is a program that takes one or more objects generated by compilers and assembles them into a single executable program. Linkers can take objects from a collection called a library and arrange them into a program's address space. Interpreter. An interpreter is a computer program that translates and executes instructions written in a computer programming language line by line, unit by unit, etc. Application software. Word processors. Word processing is a tool that helps user in creating, editing, and printing documents. The word processors will normally have the following capabilities built into them: spell checking, standard layouts for normal documents, have some characters appeared in bold print, italics, or underlined. Center lines make text line up on the left side of the paper or the right side of the paper. Save the document so that it can be used again. Print the document. Examples: WordPerfect and Microsoft Word. Spreadsheet. The spreadsheet packages are designed to use numbers and formulas to do calculations with ease. Examples of spreadsheets include Budgets, budgets, payrolls, grade calculations, address lists. The most commonly used spreadsheet programs are Microsoft Excel and Lotus 123. Graphic presentations. The presentation programs can make giving presentations and use overheads easier. Other uses include slideshows, repeating computer presentations on a computer monitor, using sound and animation in slideshows. The most recognized graphic presentation programs are Microsoft PowerPoint and Harvard Graphics. Database Management System DBMS. A DBMS is a software tool that allows multiple users to store, access, and process data into useful information. Database programs are designed for these types of applications: membership lists, student lists, grade reports, instructor schedules. All these have to be maintained so you can find what you need equally and accurately. Microsoft Access, DBase, Oracle.